Hello, Erin here with Straightline. Right now, you're just getting this email or invitation to our webinar on February 25th at 11 a.m. on Thursday. The webinar, is about the ERC and the PPP. The Employee Retention Credit is the ERC, and obviously the PPP is the Payroll Protection Program. The ERC is an incredibly valuable credit. For a lot of people out there, a lot of business owners. It is a very complex credit, and there's a lot involved, and it actually directly ties to or affects or possibly could affect your first round of PPP forgiveness and your second draw PPP loan. There's a lot of planning that goes into it, but it is well worth it. As an example, someone with 5 employees in 2020 could be eligible for up to a $25,000 credit, and that same employer with 5 employees could be eligible for up to a $70,000 credit for the first and second quarter of 2021 combined. Obviously, just using that information, I'm sure you see that that's pretty valuable, and I hope I got your attention. I really do recommend that you attend our webinar actually following Thursday, the 25th at 11 a.m. It's a very complex credit. It is well worth your time, and I really hope to see you there. The registration link to our Zoom webinar is below, and you can click it and register. I know space will be limited. We already had a lot of demand, and people have already started signing up. So I'm Erin with Straightline, and I hope to see you Thursday the 25th. Thanks.